Hi girls, this is Miss Page here. Happy Monday and welcome to week 2 of our online learning. Today we're going to be reading an article about being a cartoonist, which is a job that some people have and maybe a job that you'd be interested in once you read more about it. I think you can start this job at any age, so maybe this is something you want to take on for this week. Okay, so follow along as I read. Challenge yourself to read out loud along with me. So, the title up here, Cartoonist. What is a cartoonist? Have you ever seen a comic in a newspaper or online? If so, you have seen the work of a cartoonist. A cartoonist is a person who draws cartoons. Sometimes cartoonists are called cartoon artists. Cartoonists exaggerate what they draw. Cartoonists work for newspapers, magazines, or comic book companies. And you can see in this picture here, there's some cartoons of faces. Okay, so you can see a lot of things are exaggerated to really look at the different features of people. So how to become a cartoonist? Cartoonists are a type of artist. You don't have to go to school or pass a test to be a cartoonist. However, many cartoonists have taken art classes. Cartoonists submit a portfolio or art sample when they apply for a job. And if anybody has seen or read Captain Marvel, this is the cartoon of Captain Marvel. Types of cartoonists. There are different types of cartoonists. Some cartoonists write comic strips or greeting cards. Others work with animators to make movies or shows. These cartoonists usually make storyboards or concept designs, and concept is a general idea. So these cartoonists usually make storyboards or general designs. A storyboard is made of images that tell a story. Storyboards are used in the beginning of the animation process. Okay? And a process is a system of actions that result in a planned end. A concept design is an image of how a character or scene may look. Okay, so this right here is a concept design of an animated character. You can see it from the front with this arm up, from the side, again, from the front, there's the boots that are really specific. Up here's the head that's really specific. And down here is all the different parts. And that makes up the whole character. Before computers, cartoonists used pencils, pens, and paper to draw cartoons. Our cartoonist sketched out his or her drawing. Then the cartoonist used a brush and ink for the final draft. Now, many cartoonists use digital programs to create cartoons. So, why become a cartoonist? There are many reasons to be a cartoonist. For people who love creating art, being a cartoonist lets them do what they enjoy as a job. Many cartoonists can work whenever they want. You can sleep in as late as you want if you finish your projects. Last, many people look at cartoons. Being a cartoonist is a great way to make people laugh or change the way people think. Political cartoons. Cartoons are more than drawings. Political cartoons have a message. Usually, political cartoons are funny and have an important point. Okay, so we can see this is Franklin's Join or Die political cartoon. Okay, so it works all the way around here. People use cartoons to cause change. For example, Benjamin Franklin made the famous Join or Die cartoon. His cartoon has a message. The colonies must work together. This idea led to the American Revolution. Franklin's Join or Die cartoon is an example of a cartoon making an important change. Are cartoons for you? Cartoons can tell a story, make someone laugh, or create change. If you love to make art, you might want to be a cartoonist. If being a cartoonist isn't the career for you, you can still create cartoons for fun. Okay, so here's our writing prompt here for you to do today. So imagine you are a cartoonist. Describe your cartoon. Who are the characters and what happened in the story? Okay, go ahead and create your own cartoon. You can take pictures of it and send it to your teacher on Class Dojo, or you can save it in your file and bring it back to school whenever we're all together again. I hope you have a great day and thank you for listening.